They alleged that they needed the accommodation in question for their need full stop. The respondent number 3 was said to have become unemployed after having retired from Lal Woolen Mills, Kanpur, and he wanted to establish some business in the house in question as he had yet to meet a number of liabilities. Full stop. On the other hand, the petitioner did not need the same full stop. The house in question was originally let out to him for residential purposes, but later he established a tea stall and sublet it to his relative and he himself shifted to a house on the other side of the road. Full stop. Stranger. The petitioner contested the application. Full stop. He alleged that the respondents did not need the accommodation at all and they did not allege as to what business they wanted to do. Full stop. They were doing other business also. Full stop. On the other hand, he needed the same for his family. Full stop. He denied that he sublet it for a tea stall to his brother-in-law. Full stop. He was not doing the same on his account, but he was doing the same to help him, the petitioner. Full stop. It was further alleged that some other accommodation in possession of Balwant Singh and so was got vacated and they have also come in possession of the respondents. Full stop. Stranger. The prescribed authority held that respondents needed the house in question bona fide for their use. Full stop. He also held that the house in question was in possession of the relative of the petitioner and so it showed that the petitioner did not need the accommodation for his use. Full stop. Thus, comparing the needs of both the parties, he held the need of the respondents to be genuine. Full stop. Therefore, he allowed the application subject to the respondents paying 2 years rent as compensation to the petitioners. Full stop. Stranger. An appeal was filed before the district judge Kanpur, which was transferred to the additional district judge court number 4 for disposal. Full stop. The learned additional district judge upheld the finding of the prescribed authority and held that the needs of respondents were greater than those of the petitioner. Accordingly, he dismissed the appeal. Full stop. Stranger. The tenant has now moved this court under Article 226 of the Constitution to quash the orders of the prescribed authority and the additional district judge. Full stop. Two main points were urged before me in this connection. Full stop. One is that the authorities below have given inconsistent finding on some important points concerning a matter in question, namely about the nature of the connection between the petitioner and Bijnath, about the house in question, and also about the purposes about which the same was let out, and whatever opinion was expressed, that also was done without any material stock.